What is going on, you guys? Today I want to show you 3 ways to combine arrays in JavaScript. This can be 2 or more arrays. They're all extremely simple. If you will, forgive the wind noise that you might hear because I'm currently outside and my mic does not have a great wind cover on it. But nonetheless, so as you'll see here, we've got 2 arrays, nums1 and nums2, both with different numbers. The first method that we're going to use is concat. So let's say we make a new array called combined. How we use the concat method is nums1.concat. We just pass in the array that we want to attach to the end, nums2. And we can also, if we had multiple arrays here, I'll make one more array called nums3. And all we have to do to combine multiple is comma nums3. So that is the first option. Now, let's make another option here. This is going to be using the spread syntax. If we wanted to combine all 3 of these arrays, all we have to do is make a new array and use the spread syntax to spread out the current array. And I'll explain that. So let's go ahead and do spread operator, nums1, nums2, nums3. So all of these, by the way, would result in basically all of them combined. And the spread operator is the same as writing the contents of that array. So 1, 2, 3. It's the same exact thing when you write the spread operator and then the array. So last one is the push method in JavaScript. So if we wanted to mutate or change nums1, we actually do nums1.push and push in the other arrays. So in this case, nums2 and nums3. But if we do it like this, it'll actually push in the entire array. So we have to use the spread syntax to push in only the contents of those arrays. If we didn't use those spread syntax, it would look like this. It would be basically one outer array and then two nested arrays. So the dot push, this actually mutates the first array. So nums1 would look like this final version of the array. But those are 3 ways to combine arrays in JavaScript. I hope you liked the video. I know it's a short one. Hopefully the wind wasn't too bad. I'm currently in Oswego, New York at a campground. Yeah, if you like this video, check out my other videos. And I'm glad you watched this one and hopefully enjoyed it. Peace.